Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS with Amki. I hope guys you all are doing great. So guys, ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੀ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਸੋ ਦੈਟ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਏ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ। ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਸਟ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਪਾਰਟ 1 ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਉਹ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਗਾइस ਮੈਂ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਐਂਡ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੋਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਟੀਚ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਅਗਰ ਕੋਈ ਬੱਚਾ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਨੰਬਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਕਰਨਾ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਦਿਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ। ਅਤੇ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੈਚ ਆ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਈਵਨਿੰਗ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੰਫਰਟੇਬਲ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਐਂਡ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਡਿਸਕਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੋਡਿਊਲਸ ਦੀ ਐਂਡ ਡੇਲੀ ਬੇਸਿਸ 'ਤੇ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇੰਡੀਵਿਜੂਅਲ ਬੇਸਿਸ 'ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਆ ਉਹ ਕੰਡਕਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਇੰਟਰਸਟਿਡ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਡੈਫੀਨੇਟਲੀ ਇਸ ਨੰਬਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ। ਹੋਪ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੂਗੀ। ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਜੇ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੇ। ਵਾਟ ਇਜ਼ ਯੋਰ ਫੁੱਲ ਨੇਮ?
My full name is Kiranjit.
Jagpreet, what is your full name?
My full name is Jagpreet.
Okay. Do you like your hometown, Kiran?
Definitely, my hometown is amazing place which provides various sort of amenities, whether related to education or good transportation. So I like my hometown.
Jagpreet?
Yes, I love my hometown because I have been living there since my childhood. It provides disparate sorts of amenities, whether it is related to education system or health system.
Okay. Do you like desert, Kiran?
Yes, I am diehard fan of desert like a cake, pudding, and so on. But mostly preference is given by me to ice cream.
Jagpreet?
Yes, I love desert. I like different type of desert like chocolate, cake, pudding, so on. On the festival occasion, I prepare different type of desert.
Okay. Your next question is, have you ever made a cake, Kiran?
According to my perspective, I have made a cake even plethora of time because coronavirus. I celebrated my nephew birthday party.
Jagpreet?
I have not ever made a cake, but now I know how to make a cake because I watched many videos related to how to make a cake. So now I think that I will prepare a cake on my mother's next year.
Next question is, are you very much interested in fashion?
Honestly speaking, I am die-hard fan of fashion. When I wear branded clothes, it gives me solace.
Jagpreet?
Actually, I am not fond of fashion because I believe in simplicity because it is not only spend my time but also money.
Okay. Next question is, what kind of clothes do you usually wear?
I like to wear branded clothes as compared to others because it's not only build my confidence but also I feel energetic.
Jagpreet?
I like casual clothes rather than branded clothes because it is not only enhance my confidence but also give relaxation.
Okay. Do you have lot of furniture?
Yes, I have lot of furniture in my house because it also ameliorate my house condition.
Okay. Jagpreet?
Yes, furniture plays part and parcel role to enhance the beauty of my house. So I have a huge collection of furniture in my home, like sofa, cabinet, chairs, and tables.
Okay. Next question is, what kind of furniture would you like to buy in the future?
Well, furniture plays a very important role in every person's life. If I talk about in the upcoming time, I would like to buy that type of furniture which contains good quality.
Okay. Jagpreet.
Well, nowadays, I don't have any plan to buy furniture because I think I have sufficient furniture at my home. Uh, Apart from this, I have no ins and outs about the furniture. Uh, but want to, if I want to buy furniture, sure, Eka.
Okay. Next question is, do you like to wear fashionable clothes?
Fashionable clothes are preferred by me, not only occasion but also parties. So I like to wear fashionable clothes.
Jagpreet.
Normally, I prefer casual clothes, but once in a while, I wear fashionable clothes where I have to go to any party or any reception.
Okay. Do you like singing?
Yes, I love singing because I deem that it is an ideal way to ameliorate our mood from stress.
Okay. Jagpreet.
Definitely, I love singing. So when I have free time. At that time, I like to sing, but I sing when I am alone at home.
Okay. What kind of singers do you like?
To be honest, in India there are disparate sort of renowned personalities who are eminent in India, but mostly I like that type of singer which has melodious voice and jovial nature person.
Jagpreet.
Well, there are disparate sorts of singers in my country, but if I have to choose one, I definitely choose the singer which sing a song related to our culture because it is very necessary for the new generation to aware about our culture.
Okay. Now your next question is, what kind of desert Indian people like?
According to my perception, Indian peoples like deserts not only according to their taste but also preference. If I talk about the youngsters give much single out to cake along with ice cream. On the other hand, gray hair citizens like Indian deserts.
Okay. Jagpreet.
It is very hard to me to give answer this question because different people have different taste. But I guess pudding is very popular dessert in my country because in every festival this dessert is prepared by people at our home because it piece of cake for them prepare it.
Last question. Which furniture do you like in your home?
I like that type of furniture in my home which contains good quality, like fan, table, which works as a home for me.
Okay, Jagpreet.
I like several type of furniture at my home, but my favorite is a dining table because at the evening time we all member eat together and share our feeling